Amber Alert.
Bring up this program to activate the emergency alert system for an Amber Alert. Be on the lookout for an abducted child from Trumbull County, last seen at 1999 Hazelwood Avenue in the city of Warren at 1:20 p.m., April 18th, 2019. The suspect is believed to be driving a gold 2005 Buick Rendezvous with license plate HQN 8371 from the state of Ohio. The child's name is Jasper Stinnett, 2 months old, a white female, 22 inches, weighing 11 pounds, with blonde hair and blue eyes. The child was last seen wearing a yellow shirt with yellow and blue shorts. The suspect's name is James Stinnett, a white male, 20 years old, with blonde hair and blue eyes. Suspect is 5 foot, 11 inches, 142 pounds, possibly armed with a shotgun.
Oh my God.
Please call 1-877-AMBER-OH, 1-877-262-3764, or dial 911 immediately if you see the child, the suspect, or the suspect vehicle. This concludes the emergency alert system message.
Oh my gosh. Armed with a shotgun. That's crazy.